Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds. 1, 2, sitting on a wall. One named Peter.
Hi, I'm Peter. I'm green and I have a yellow beak and a yellow wing.
And one named Paul.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm blue and I have a yellow beak and a yellow wing.
Fly away, Peter, up into the clouds. Fly away, Paul, up into the clouds. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. We do it again. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter.
Hi, I'm Peter.
One named Paul.
Hi, I'm Paul.
Fly away, Peter, up into the sky. Fly away, Paul, up into the sky. Come back, Peter, and come back, Paul.
Bye.
Bye.